Hey guys, Dave here from Easy Country Cooking and Cook and Share. Today we are making up an incredibly delicious 15-minute chicken and veggie one-pan stir fry. Absolutely incredibly easy to make. You are going to love it, so let me show you how to do it. Alright guys, I'm going to get started here by adding some oil to a pan over medium-high heat, and this is just olive oil, but you can use whatever you like. After that, in we go with a few florets of good old broccoli, half a chopped up bell pepper from the garden, then a small can of peaches and cream corn, and peaches and cream corn is sweet corn, but use whatever you like. Grab up our handy dandy spoon and stir and saute and mix and have some fun until that broccoli begins to tenderize a little bit. And I always find that broccoli is just about getting ready when it turns a nice bright green. You gotta love that bright green. Oh my goodness, this is looking so good. Alrighty my friends, it is time to go in with half a small chopped onion and 3 cloves of garlic. Stir and saute till that wonderful aroma of onion and garlic fill the air. Then and only then in with our chicken, and I'm using chicken from the deli I got, but you can use leftover chicken or whatever you got on hand. Season things up with about a teaspoon of salt, some ground black pepper, and I love ground black pepper, so I'm going to use a couple of teaspoons, something like that. Or you can use a little bit of white pepper that I call woo-wee pepper because it's a lot hotter, so just a little bit. Speaking of woo-wee, some hot pepper flakes, quarter teaspoon, half a teaspoon, depending on how hot you want it. Once again, guys, a stirring we will go until everything comes together beautifully and is mixed up nicely. I just love a stirring my 15-minute chicken. Alrighty my friends, I'm going to plate this up with some Uncle Ben's rice. And you don't have to use Uncle Ben's, you can use leftover rice, but I just find it a whole lot handier. And for a couple of bucks, what the heck. Then over the top we go with that wonderful yummy chicken mixture we just made up. And you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to grab up some medium salsa. You can use mild or hot too, and put it over the top. And I put this salsa in the microwave just for a minute or so to heat it up. You could throw some sour cream or whatever you like over there as well. Of course, grate some old cheddar cheese over the top. You just gotta have it cheesy, and the more cheese the better. And there you have it guys, our 15-minute chicken and veggie one-pan skillet. You are going to love this. It is so easy to make, so simple, and so delicious. I mean, not just you, but the whole family, even the neighbors are going to come over screaming for more. And you bite into this, guys, it is absolutely incredible. The broccoli is still a bit on the crunchy side. Oh, those veggies, the salsa over the top, absolutely delicious. And if you do make it, leave us a comment. Love to read them. Give us a like because it helps the channel out. And most of all, subscribe. It's free. Thanks for watching, guys. Stay safe and see you next time.